Hey, it's Rohit Shah here, and I'm about to show you something that can turn your AI ideas into real sellable apps in just minutes. I'm talking about tools people are already paying $19, $49, even $99 per month for. And with AI wrappers, you can build them yourself without writing a single line of code. This is the AI wrappers dashboard. You'll see recent apps here, a shortcut to our AI creator, access to 100 plus templates, and everything you need to launch and manage your tools. Let's start with what I believe is the most powerful part of AI wrappers, the AI creator. This is a natural language app builder, which means you don't need to know any prompts, no tech setup, nothing. You just speak or type what kind of app you want to build and the system does the rest. And yes, it even works in your own language, Hindi, Spanish, French, anything. Let me show you how this works. So let's create a SEO audit tool where user enters an website URL and it returns with optimization tips, errors and suggestions. So let's go ahead. And just like that, the input form is ready, the AI logic is written and the model is already connected. If you want to get specific, you can even say use GPT-4 for this app or use Gemini and make the response 5 bullet points only. And the system understands that too. Or just let the AI handle everything and it will intelligently choose the right model based on what your app needs. So I'm just gonna say make it as per your choice and let's ask it to use GPT 4.1 model and let's go ahead. And here's the coolest part. This is real chat interface. So after the app is created, you can say things like add another input field for topic or make the tone more casual and it updates your app instantly. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click create app and it gets published live into your dashboard, ready to be shared or edited further. This is what makes AI wrappers so powerful. You describe what you want in plain language and your AI app is built for you in seconds. Alright, once the app is created, it's not just sitting in draft. It's actually live and fully functional right now. Let's preview it. This is the front end, the user facing version of the app we just created. They simply enter their website URL here and hit generate and the AI gives them an instant SEO audit with suggestions and tips. And right now this is a free to use tool, anyone can use it. But with just a few clicks, we can restrict access, capture leads or even charge users for every use. Now here is something cool. We are not locked in. We can go back to AI Creator and ask to update the app. For example, let's type add name and email input fields before user can use the app. And just like that, the AI updates the app structure for us. Now let's preview the app again. And just like that, your app has started to capture leads. And AI wrappers tracks everything automatically. Let's jump into app analytics. Here you can see all the leads collected, names, emails, timestamps, all organized and exportable. Whether you're offering a free tool or running a lead gen funnel, this makes it super easy to track performance. But if you want full hands-on control, that's where the manual editor comes in. Let me quickly walk you through the 5-step builder so you can fine-tune every part of your app. Here you can manually edit the details of your app if you don't want to use the AI creator. The first step is the basic step for name, logo and app description. Next up, choosing your AI model. AIWrappers supports all the top models out of the box. You've got GPT-4, Claude, Gemini and others, with more being added as advancements come out. So your apps are always powered by the latest and most powerful AI without needing to worry about the tech behind it. And here's the best part. You don't need to deal with API integrations, prompt formatting or ongoing model maintenance. We handle all of that for you behind the scenes. Want to try a different model? Just click and swap and it's that simple. The next step is interface. This one's huge. You can drag and drop form inputs like text box, file uploads, drop downs, whatever your app needs from this area. Next, you can decide how your users access your app. You can make it free, email gated, or even connect Stripe and start charging right away. And finally, you can plug in your own domain and you've got a live branded hosted AI app ready to share and sell. But you don't even have to start from scratch. AIWrappers comes loaded with 100 plus high converting templates across every niche. Social media tools, business apps, image and video AI tools, content generators, education, health, everything's here and ready to launch. Every app is one click for you to deploy and start using. Now, if you have tried tools like Lovable or Bold.new, you might wonder how AIWrappers is different. Those are great for testing small ideas, but here's the difference. With Lovable and Bold, you need to manually write and edit prompts. You are responsible for your own hosting and app security. Stripe integration, that's on you. And if OpenAI or any API changes, you are the one who has to fix the app. AIWrappers handles all of that for you. We give you drag and drop app creation, secure built-in hosting, Stripe integration ready to go, a no maintenance backend, you focus on the product and we handle the tech. And full branding, your domain, your logo, your business. And remember, these aren't just fun AI tools. They are actual products you can sell. People are paying hundreds, even thousands for niche specific AI apps. We have made it easy to turn these into lead magnets, paid utilities, or full-on SaaS tools. So that's AIWrappers. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to manage servers. You don't need to worry about APIs breaking. You just bring your idea and we'll turn it into working AI app you can sell in minutes. This is Rohit Shah signing off. Thank you for watching.